Hey guys, it's Makeup IDs. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I did this makeup look for you guys. This is my go-to makeup look. Bold wing liner with, a little bit of bronzer and crease, with a nice snatched face and some lip gloss, that's me. And also today I did my hair. This is my natural hair. For those of you who have been subscribed to me for a while, you know that I'm natural. Yeah, I've been through like a long process with my hair. Like, I've been natural for, I want to say 7 years now. I think it's 7 years. That's crazy. I think I just made the 7-year mark. Wow, that's a long time. LOL. Yeah, so I showed you how I just did this nice little bun up here. A simple style and look, and I hope you guys like it. If you did, then definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Deej. And let's get on to the tutorial, you guys.
I got some questions for you. I need some answers from you. What do you do fighting for your life and no one's on your side? Yeah, baby, I can't stand to lose you. See, you're in too deep and don't know where to hide. What do you do? Take a chance on your own. What do you do? Take a chance on your own. Yeah. But what do you do? What do you do? Tell me, baby, what do you do fighting for your life and no one's on your side? I can't stand to lose you. See, you're in too deep and don't know where to hide. I got a question. What do you do? Take a chance on your own. What do you do? Take a chance on your own. Yeah. But what do you do? What do you do? It's a line in the skies. You got that look up in your eye. You got that look up in your eye. It's a line in the skies. You got that look up in your eye. You got that look up in your eye. What do you do fighting for your life and no one's on your side? I can't stand to lose you. See, you're in too deep and don't know where to hide. What do you do? Take a chance on your own. What do you do? Take a chance on your own. Yeah. But what do you do? What do you do? I got some questions for you. I need some answers from you. Oh. What do you do fighting for your life and no one's on your side? Yeah, baby, I can't stand to lose you. See you're in too deep and don't know where to hide. What do you do? Take a chance on your own. What do you do? Take a chance on your own. Yeah, yeah. But what do you do? Yeah. Oh, yeah. What do you do? I can see it's no disguise. You got that look up in your eye. You got that look up in your eye. Oh, it's a line in the disguise. You got that look up in your eye. You got that look up in your eye. So tell me, baby, what do you do fighting for your life and no one's on your side? I can't stand to lose you. See you're in too deep and don't know where to hide. I got a question. What do you do? Take a chance on your own. What do you do? Take a chance on your own. Yeah, yeah. But what do you do? Yeah. Oh, yeah. What do you do? It's a line in the disguise. You got that look up in your eye. You got that look up in your eye. It's a line in the disguise. You got that look up in your eye. You got that look up in your eye. What do you do fighting for your life and no one's on your side? I can't stand to lose you. See you're in too deep and don't know where to hide. What do you do? Take a chance on your own.